What up, guys? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Oh man, it is Wednesday. It feels like my week is just started, like Monday. It's been busy. I don't know why I chose today to like do my hair. So yeah, it's Wednesday. What I have here is StellaZone packages that I'm going to ship out. It's the Shito. Okay, the Shito that I made last year. I resumed this year with the goodies my mom brought from Ghana. So I have these packages I'm going to drop off at the post office, and then I'm going to take somebody to the park. Say hello. Okay, he's like, okay, mommy, let's just get going. So yeah, you can come with us to the park, okay? But for now, let me put this in the car. All right, so stopping at the post office to send this packages in. And then Nathaniel is already sleeping. Then we'll go to the park. Okay, our day at the park did not happen because before I even got to the post office, Nathaniel was like out. He like passed out from being so busy. So I'm just gonna take him inside. So exhausted. I'm just gonna take him inside. I have to prep for a video. Yeah, it's only Wednesday and my week is like, I'm like, is it Monday? Why am I so busy? So yeah, my mom is just gonna walk around the neighborhood. I'm just gonna take Nathaniel inside, then prep for a video I want to make. Before then, you guys can fill a plastic bag. I did a henna and indigo treatment today on my hair. I don't know why I chose Wednesday of all days, but it had to be done. So it's been a really busy week. Taking StellaZone orders, try shipping them out and everything. So I gotta put in another order, but it's like the post office is about to close, so I have to go. I'll probably be going to the post office tomorrow to ship out the orders that are coming in tonight. Oh, I can use a vacation right now, and then the weather is like, it looks like it's going to rain. So let me get this stroller out, and then let me get my baby boo. Baby boo is sleeping. See, it's like he's been running and shit. He is out. It's like, mommy, I don't know what you say, but I am out. Look at that, so precious. Why? Hey, why are you laughing? Eh? Why? You? So apparently the person I said was sleeping is not sleeping. He's laughing. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? So he's not sleeping. Thinking of not going to the park, coming home, and then you get home and then Nathaniel wakes up. I'm like, okay, but it's good because the weather doesn't even look that good. Looks like it's going to rain. If your daddy would just help us out. I'm like, guys, I have Nathaniel. I'm pushing a stroller with a backpack. I am. Whew.
Let me get that for you.
Hi. So yeah, see, we didn't get to go to the park. So mom is gonna take you tomorrow. What do you say?
Okay.
Nathan, you okay? We're going to the park tomorrow? Say, Daddy, you too grown for that. So you're gonna help mommy shoot a video? So yeah.
A video.
Huh?
You have to shoot a video.
That's what I said.
That's how you say something else.
Whatever. Yeah, take it. So I know Stephen has been hiding from you guys, but There he is. I caught you right there. I caught you. So yeah, I have like this product on my hair, and this is the second product. The first one says keep it on for 2 to 3 hours. The first one is 2 to 3 hours. The second one is 2 to 3 hours. So my whole day has been running around keeping hair product in. So
Where's your mom?
She's going for a walk. So guys, that is like Wednesday. We're gonna try and grab some dinner like here at home. My mom made some fufu, so you probably will end up having fufu. I'm gonna have some fish with asparagus. Look at you being cute. Of course, Nathaniel will have some food too,
You see yourself?
right?
You see yourself?
You have some food, huh? You have some food, yeah. All right, let's go inside. Looks like it's. I hope my mom like comes back and she doesn't. All right, guys. So tune in. subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Go and watch all our fun videos. And Nathaniel. Oh, and the StellaZone Shito is like legit. I don't know if honey you want to go grab one while I'm at it. And show it to you guys. Like I'm telling you, place your orders before it's gone. It's in the kitchen by the microwave down there because I had to put it there. Nathaniel was like trying to help by giving me more work to do. So when you have kids, oh man, thank you to all the responsible mothers out there. Thank you. Thank you. Have no idea. Thank you. So StellaZone Shito.
Nathaniel approved.
Nathaniel approved. Okay, he helped the mommy. So 16 ounces, $15. That does not include shipping. Okay, that does not include shipping. So yep,
That's less than $1 an ounce.
So yeah, StellaZone Shito. Order yours before. It's going to go. Yeah, it's going to go fast, and I'm hoping to keep up with like production, but with Nathaniel, it's like. But I have my mom here, so I don't have any excuse. So. Thank you guys. Subscribe. Stay tuned. We'll catch up with you guys later. I gotta go in and spend time with the family. So Nathaniel, say bye. It's like
Yeah.
okay.
Bye.